Kani gadega pati CCTV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor Mawkasiang.
Ka Deutsche Gesellschaft für internationale Zusammenarbeit GmbH hagas ngibalang jong tayo kala samsernot syagi arwingut ki Nongthaiñ Jaiñ Ryndia hadin bagila pendap pura ya jingyo jinghikai kaba arpusan snilenter. Kani gejing ai jing hikai gedai hagarukam ko bathamai daki kor Thañ Jaiñ ki balatip kum ki fly 8 loom lengba kabut jong Andreas Müller unong hikai na Germany ki balashna hagata garukam ban la ban Thañ hadu kum ba khat armitar ka Jaiñ hagashisngi. Ya jing ai jing hikai lapulong daga Nela Handloom Training cum Production Center Mawkasiang Umro. Hapo ka jing penya jong ba James Khar rengkat ka jing trailang bat ka Meghalaya Basin Development Authority. Kinong sha hikai ki kintup ya laingot ki shinrang ki bawan na keleng ka jila kum na Mawkruat Nongthaiñ Umden Ribhoi District Jowai bat na Mawkasiang rukumjo. Laban kedau hang ni baga Deutsche Gesellschaft für internationale Zusammenarbeit kadai ka jingya trailang jong ki Southly ki ken hon nari Germany ban khmi bat Yarap yakari India hak be dai bat ka yo ka kon ka bha ka miat bat jing penne pensa jong ka mariang bat ka jing e ha ka emlang salang. Hagani singi sam ya Gesternot dau Dr. Peter Gross, u Project Director Northeastern Region jong GIZ, Laidon Langru ikong Sharon Karshieng Technical Expert GIZ, but ikong Yora Dekar OSD jong MBDA. Lengba ki jing ai jing hikai halor ki rukom Thañ Jaiñ ka babon ki nong shong shnong ha ki benta jong jela ki shim ya ka kum shi benta jong jing pendap kamai nagapor sakapor la ban nang kentiu shu shu khnang wa onla ban penlong ya ka kum ka kam ka pura
ong kum ta mar balai bangi dang don hap dang ka jing sa dom ma ne misnya kum no para ki nong mangi ki nong one training ma te mangi dang don hap dang ka jing sa dom Kajing kermen jongi kalong ba ngin tei bandang kunta mo.
U Dr. Peter Gross haba kren kum ukongsan hagani kasngi loong baga GIZ kandang yai biteng ban ai jing yarap hagani kaliang bat hagabai dei bat ki kor Thañ Jaiñ ki balatip kum ki flying 8 loom.
Come all over Meghalaya to that place together for a 25-day training, which is quite long and which really I think I have to pay much respect for your effort to come here. Most of you also volunteered, so which shows the interest from your side in what was taught in these 25 days. Training is another example how we as GIZ, German-Indian Cooperation, are working. We do not invest in roads, we do not invest in dams, we are investing in people. Our philosophy is more to train, to support, to educate people in order they are in a position or you are in a position to take your life and your faith in your own hands. That this philosophy is fruitful and works is James itself. Yes, at the beginning he just started back years ago as a trainee and now he, like you already said, founded this training center and is starting an entrepreneurship out of these early trainings now to this extent.
Hagani kesni nila yok laru banyak keren pan baru Pak James Dekar ubalong utrai jongkani ke jaka Jaiñ hikai Nela Handloom Training Cum Production Center.
Ada uwi nagi drop out student. Khusnam arajar san ngapas ke metric exam. Tengah drop no akan ngasulit tang kelas 11, 12. Kelas 12 akan pendap sebagai exam. Ngalak sulong yang no tu hadin kata ngalak sulong uwi driver banyak kali nyak taksi apa sulong. Dia Khusnam arajar kendai kami advertisement. Nam tani ke pos Khusnam Stevit kus ban puli kam Jaiñ. Ti ngalak sulit puli no sipo garel sapo kumba Khusnam ngapuluk ke porjongan ti bangalik training ya ke kam Jaiñ. Ti hadin bang langam jeli ubah babun ke jing ki Nongthaiñ ki kendo umdan bawan ban pai kmat ban yaram. Ti ngalak poi haduk menta ka thong hi bangan puli no ke training center lajong hang ni pok Mawkasiang. Ti ka jengmut i jong ni ke training center umdai bangan supli ai training la adam. Hendengin budin ki tu Nongthaiñ ki bon training ban ngi. Ti kum nu bangin pinyak yo ke Jaiñ tu. Namar ka Jaiñ hi kaya yo adangi Thaiñ ke perok ka babiang. Bun ki ong ngim kam don yo ke Jaiñ kum tam ta. La dangi Thaiñ ke Jaiñ ba internet kamut kata design jungi kata hi ka yo jungi. La dang Thaiñ ka ju ju thoro stem neki children sindang ki ba plin te kan nya cha ka ju. Jangan perkat bangin divert no sikwi pat ki product diversification na.